car show. We were walking. He said he would be right back. My feet hurt. Cross. My feet hurt. My head hurts from traffic. I have anxiety. But it's been an amazing experience. It's been an amazing trip. Look at my feet, y'all. Look, it was so lit. Look at my feet. It was so lit. Look at my feet. Look at my feet. Thank you, Ross. Great experience. You really got me out my heels. Twice. Where's the heels? They're over there. Look at them on the lawn. They're scattered out on the lawn. Look at that. Look at that. That is amazing. Only at Rick Ross career. Only here. I don't know if now I'm going through a serious thing that mosquitoes or whatever the fuck is biting my feet. What type of bugs is in this fucking earth? Oh my god. Or is that
hopefully just ants. That's not any better.
Oh, that's what's doing me. Nigga. Cut. Woo! God damn. Bestie, how you feel?
How I feel? On my feet. The same thing. And I don't have heels on. But it's amazing. It's my first time here.
Just come chill at the mansion.
And of course, Misty Blanco made it possible. I don't know. You know, I'm glad I came here today.
What do you want to tell Ross? Tell him right now. He said he was coming right back, bestie. God damn. I thought he was right back.
I want another song with Misty. I want another collab. I want a follow-up to Winning Circle.
Say that.
I want a follow-up to Winning Circle with Misty Blanco. I hope we can make that happen.
You hear that? You hear that?
Winning Circle Part 2.
Part 2. I'm trying to tell you, I got the perfect record. Perfect record. I'm telling you, biggest record.
That shit is right. That shit is poppin'. You hear the boys?
Smack your shit.
I mean, like, maybe we could just roll one. I wanna take you home, but I'm scared you might say no. I won't get my hopes up. Baby, yeah, I know how you be. You don't know about me. If you ain't no stranger, baby, we can meet, yeah. Maybe next weekend I'm free if you free. And I think you kinda sweet. Boy, you got a sweet plan. Mind full of reason, heart full of faith. Yeah, I like your body, boy, and how you claim your space. Let's not waste no more time. Flaunty, boy, I know you want it. While I turn around you, watch me take up. Ooh, I'm weak in my knees, baby, when I see you. Whoa. Burn, baby, oh, that lady. Teaching me how to hold that split. Loving the way you hold it, and I'm loving the way you ride that whip. Learn, baby, I learned quick. Teaching me how to hold that split. Loving the way I'm whining. If you like what you see, then come on.
And now you wanna teach me about Selassie I. Raja divine, imbalance of the man and feminine. You get me high with your naughty sensibility. Cushion the sky when you stimulate me mentally. Fire upon Babylon, righteousness prevail. You elevate my consciousness and sex drive as well. Can't you tell? I'm here for more than just more conversations. I need some love, your confirmation. So if you got it, flaunt it. I know you want it. I turn around and watch you check her. And if you feelin' me, roll my weed up, baby, what's the issue?
Come taste my flavor, darker the berry. Baby, come closer, don't be so scary. I know you want me, you know I want you. I can feel it burning in my core, bringing me toward you.
feet up.
I love you. You know that, right? I've been waiting for this moment to tell you that. I'm so sorry. I love everything. Help me act bad. You don't even know why y'all do it. Mysterious for making it bad.
You slimmed down, that's what it was. Yo,
I grew up, and I grew up. Say it, I grew up.
I was making the band. Yo,
I would like to see
this game. Yo, we used to watch y'all.
Did you?
Yo, let me tell you something. We saw y'all in the airport one day.
Oh, really?
Y'all probably don't even remember. I seen y'all in the airport. I said, this is the son of Macon.
Really? Because you seen us. You said that. Can I have a hug? Well, can we? Can I get your?
Where's her phone holder at? You got her phone. You definitely got a phone holder.
Yes, I do. I'm so sorry.
Tank, you ready, bro?
For bags of that R&B money.
Yeah. Tank.
For bags of that R&B money.
Hey.
Yeah. She a boss motherfucker. She know it. She know it. She know it.
Yeah, you know she know it.
She a boss motherfucker. And she know it. She know it. Know it. I let her get to the top. I let her fuck up the streets. I let her pimp up the work. I let her get it all week. I let her pull up a dress. I let her show me that ass. I let her twerk in the seats. I let him sit on the glass. I let her put it in dry. I let her work with the sticks. I let her do tricks with the ride. Look how she work with the stick. I let her open her mouth. I let her put something in. I let her do what she want. I let her do it again. Yeah, she a pretty little thing, but a real go-getter. Get up, the kind that won't say you can do dirt with her. With her. She wanted a boss and getting no bigger. Eat it up to the morning, she ain't gonna quit her. She with the shit, she with the shit, she with the shit, she with the shit now. Anything I say, anything my way. She with the shit, she with the what? She with the shit, she with the shit now. Told me that it's mine. She turned it in no time. Shit, all day, all day, all day. Shit, all day, all day, all day. Shit, all day, all day, all day. Fuckin' with no lame shit. She with the shit, all day, all day, all day. She with the shit, all day, all day, all day. Shit, all day, all day, all day. Now we playing no games. Shit with the.
She with the shit talking diarrhea. We go through shit, I stay lying to her. She think I'm green like a Mountain Dew. That pussy squirt on me like fountain still. I'm in Miami at Fountain Blue. Taxi paid out with accountants do. I don't care nothing about what you say. I don't care nothing about what you do. Me and Tank in the tank. I'm a soldier, I shoot you. More than millions in the bank. Me and Tank got something to do. He said corn be patient. I told him I want to be in movies. He said walk around like shit stink, but stay humble and prove your point to everyone. She with this shit, she with this shit. She want the D, she want the D. So I gave it to her, whipped it up, yeah, I slaved it to her. Tank, sang it to him. Hey.
She with the shit,
she with the
what?
shit,
She with the shit,
she with the shit now.
Anything I say, had a thing my way. She with the shit,
she with the
what?
shit,
she with the shit, she with the shit now. Told me that it's mine. She turned it in no time. She with the shit, all day, all day, all day. Shit, all day, all day, all day. Shit, all day, all day, all day. Fuckin' with no lame shit.
She with the
shit, all day, all day, all day.
She with the
shit, all day, all day, all day.
She with
shit, all day, all day, all day. Now we playing no games. Shit with the shit.
this love has its flaws. We're forever outlaws.
Maybach music.
You messed around, but I forgave you. Why do they still want me to hate you? Cause if I'm choosing to forget it, why can't they just mind their business? Cause I'm stuck like glue. Cause I can't stop loving you.
I wanna see my dogs on the mountaintops. Them niggas only ballin' when they albums drop. I got a line of cars rapping round the block and living better than these rappers rapping round the clock. I built a golf course and a car porch. Since everybody asking where your car's going, mozzarella now it's only tall cheddar. Most dope boys been a pallbearer. Package the product, then you pick it up back in Bahamas. Talking them dollars, how I touch it, come off as a profit. You leave your pistol on, then you're on your own. Cause Lil' one when it's on, they gon' do you wrong. See you nodding off on that fentanyl. If you're not a boss, boy, don't get involved.
Oh God.
You messed around, but I forgave you. Why do they still want me to hate you? Cause if I'm choosing to forget it, why can't they just mind their business? Cause I'm stuck like glue. Cause I can't stop loving you.
Walk. Life full of VVS, diamonds and bad choices. Young nigga dreaming about Ted 9s and Porsches. It's cold, I keep my hoodie on. Glock 4-5, ready to get my boogie on. You pussy niggas panties showing. My bitch say I talk in my sleep. I start part driving, put it in reverse with my heat. Pistol talking back, I think I heard it cursing at me. They say you better not fuck a bitch or write a verse without me. Oh God, the streets left me scarred. Nigga, I'm bleeding, but it's concrete, Sean. Soda coming, I'll catch up with me, I keep going. Better come and get your bitch, cause she gone. She don't go. This that straight drop. All these other niggas rethrowing. Call my 9 Jada, she kissing. Nigga deep block. Know some niggas out on the west, they reppin' treetop. These niggas still talking like bitches, I pray that shit stop. I don't wanna hear your opinion on about what's hip hop. 30 hanging off of my bridges, nigga, that's hip hop. Oh God.
You messed around, but I forgave you. Why do they still want me to hate you? Cause if I'm choosing to forget it, why can't they just mind their business? Cause I'm stuck like glue. Cause I can't stop loving you.
Yes. They calling it pandemic when it's really life. The only way.
Yeah.
left. Back it up. And down. Get it right. And left. Cha-cha with the right. Cha-cha with the left. You turn with the right. And move with the left. Back it up. And down. And right. And left. And cha-cha with the right. Cha-cha with the left. You turn with the right. And move with the left. Back it up. Jumps upon the scene with the lean and a pocket full of green. The green doesn't symbolize the man on the top, but Robo Pop last year was a shot. The tone of the
why y'all taking two over there?
Temptation set by the nation. Facial game for this pain, he's a new rep in your hearts and minds.
She had a ball. She goes over the combo line. You already know what we're doing. It's very much.
Show me what the book is. You show me what the book is. Make me want to read the book now because you requested it. That nigga going to raise something so big, well, I gotta read it. And the biggest book. That's what I'm talking about. If that's you got a book, that's cool, but I'll show you what the book is. Hey, the biggest book. That's why I'm bringing my brother. I'm showing you. As soon as you show me, I'm gonna jump on the train and ride with you. I got you. I got you. Multiply times 1,000.
I got you. Like I said, that's why I came up here. I came from Florida to fool with you.
And that's how you gotta do it. You gotta create something that niggas can't turn their back to.
I got you.
Diced pineapple. Tonight you shall reach a height that the sky won't catch you. The highest form of my admiration. I ain't no connoisseur, but I'm kinda sure you will admire my tasting before the sun graze you. I'm trying to see how deep you are, and believe me, shawty, I ain't talking about no intimate conversation. I wanna see if I can make you reach things unobtainable when I peek into your nature. And I promise you my goals will exceed any physical pleasure. I wanna give you what's better than better. The better my effort, the wetter her treasure. The more these mere moments seem like heavens or temporary forevers. Shawty, get it together. Diced pineapple. May your love come down so my mind might have you. You design my imagination. Let me redefine foreplay till you need 5 and tell me, shawty, you got it, baby. If it's not it, baby, hope it's progress, baby. Let it all drip, baby. So you stop that shaking. No more talking, baby. No more talking, baby.
Shawty so fine, pussy so fresh. Diced pineapples that my baby taste the best. I nearly lost my mind. Guess it was a test. Swept off her feet and went and bought her ass a Lex. Paid it off cash, so I never wrote a check. Leave my cars at her crib, I'm just stunting on the X. Pussy's excellent and I know it sound a mess. I let her make her toes curl as I'm licking on her flesh. Sex all night, couple shots of Ciroc. Crib on the water, got LeBron up the block. Money ain't a thing, baby, welcome to the mob. Diced pineapples, talking diamonds by the jar. Bitch so bad, got me wishing I could sing a uniform Isabel Marant when you on a team. Double MG, them other niggas fell off. Baby girl, I just wanna see you well off.
Call me crazy, shit, at least you call it. Feels better when you let it out, don't it, girl? Know it's easy to get caught up in the moment when you say it cause you mad and you take it all back. Then we fuck all night till things get right. Then we fuck all night till things get right.
Shawty so fine, pussy so fresh. Diced pineapples, I just bought my girl a set. I know my lifestyle, wow. I do it for the set. She know how to make me smile and she do it with the sex. Pop bottles, make love, thug passion. Red bottoms, Montclair, high fashion. Belt buckles, door handles, gold plated. Ball man, rich denim, out Vegas. French Riviera, baby girl, let's take a trip. On a trip, go to Cannes, France to catch a flick. Baby, listen, this position is a blessing, and with your permission, hopefully you learn a lesson. I'm so fly that I shouldn't even walk. She's so fine, she ain't even got tout. Diced pineapples, talking diamonds by the jar. She never wrote a song, but I know that she's a star.
Call me crazy, shit, at least you call it. Feels better when you let it out, don't it, girl? Know it's easy to get caught up in the moment when you say it cause you mad and you take it all back. Then we fuck all night till things get right. Then we fuck all night till things get right.
Something about her, probably can't live without her. Roll up some sour, let me kiss on the fountain. Mission accomplished, you increasing your heart rate, and I won't ever rest. We meet at the peak of your mountain. Eager to show you, thinking that I should know you. And you eager to work, perfect, I can't employ you. Designer should spoil you, rug you down with the oil. To get on a higher tree, you gon' have to climb a sequoia. Hold up, you showing off some Asian provocateur. Rushing you out your drawers, though patiently get you off. Hate when they be too anxious, though hate when they be too dull. Like to go deep, but I hate to get too deeply involved. How sweet is you? Let me see some proof. Fuck making pussy talk, I like to make it sing a tune. All we need is weight, we don't need no room. Right now I'm trying 8, and we don't need a spoon.
Call me crazy, shit, at least you call it. Feels better when you let it out, don't it, girl? Know it's easy to get caught up in the moment when you say it cause you mad and you take it all back. Then we fuck all night till things get right. Then we fuck all night till things get right. Oh yeah.